Morning from Grandpa Farm. We just got another delivery of wood chips. Today's November 11th, 2025. It's around 9 a.m. It's 40 degrees right now. A lot of blue in the sky. Some frost last night, you can see. This pile of wood chips smells like Christmas. Smells great. Now it's time to feed the animals. I love the sunshine. Good morning, Harold. The 7-Eleven chickens, they want their food. Well, got a little bit of water out of the hose. It's froze. Well, it must have got pretty cold last night. They still have some water. I was just going to top it off. And now it's time to go feed them. Give them the hay that's in the bin down here. Get that emptied out. Well, they're all calm and happy now. Now I head up to the house, get a cup of coffee. I want to wish all the veterans a happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service.